All right, so this is my 25th wash of these wonderful things. So we're gonna try to get this thing. Ooh, yes, I got it right. So we're gonna try to do this here, our 25th review of this washing cycle. So let's get to this and let's discuss it. As you can see, these things are totally destroyed. I don't know. I would never wear a shirt with this stuff on it. I'm sorry, but I don't know anybody who would wear a shirt with their prints looking like this. Okay. Remember, this thing started to fall apart after wash number 5. Remember, wash number 5, this entire thing started to fall apart. This was the only one that was holding out, but as you can see, now it's also destroyed. Alright, this one's, you can barely read out half of them, what's on them. Alright, you can barely read what's on half of them. So yeah, this one, as far as I'm concerned, is total trash. This is just a rag now you can use to wipe up dirt off the ground. That's my opinion, not facts, but this is just my opinion. This is how I'm looking at this. I don't think anybody wear this as a t-shirt to go out anywhere, period. Again, I'll just keep washing it because until all the rest of them are actually destroyed like this, or even are come close, then I can't throw this one out. I have to just keep washing it with the rest of them. All right. Now, the Mimaki one, as I showed you before, it started to come up on the edges. Just on the edges. Just the edges started to come up a little bit. And that's about all that's pretty much majorly wrong with this. It's just the edges. Just the edges keeps coming up. But beyond that, this Mimaki print is still holding up just as decent as it could. It's a little wrinkly here. This is just normal from not having, I don't know. This can be from not enough glue on the back. I don't know if you can see it, but I can't see it. But if you can see it, that's great. It's like wrinkly right in this spot here. From about here all the way up to about here, it's a little wrinkly. This can be from, you know, the fabrics losing its grip, the fabric losing its grip, or the glue is separating from the fabric, or the print itself is coming apart from the glue. It can be from anything. So this is pretty much normal with most shirts. I've had so many shirts, even ones I bought from the store, and they all tend to get wrinkly like this after a period of time. It's just a natural thing. Anybody have a problem with that? Well, you got more issues than I can say. The rest of it is just basic stuff. Just the ends coming up. That's normal. Can't really go wrong with that. But other than that, the print itself is holding up very well. Mimaki, and that's from the Mimaki. This number here. All right, it's holding up good. I can't complain. 25 washes and it still looks fairly good. All right, it's not new, but it's still holding up well. As you can see, the color thing is not spreading apart, not busting up in the corners. Everything's still holding up very well. Soft, as you know, if you wash something, initially it's going to feel stiff, but after a couple washes, it gets very soft. That's just the nature of DTF. All right, that's just the nature. All right, it's soft now, very soft. Can't even tell there's nothing on the fabric. I can't tell I can barely tell the fabrics. I mean, of course you can tell if you're looking for it, like you make little points like this and you're feeling it. But if it's just open up like this and you rub your hand across it, you really can't tell the print from the actual fabric. You know, after so long, it should getting soft. Now this is again one of my older first prints that I had sitting around in the corner. As you can see, the colors, the things start to come through there. The whites start to come in through. Not the whites, the actual fabric. The black's totally breaking apart. Again, I will still wear that out somewhere. I don't know about you, but I will still wear this out somewhere. It's not total trash. It's not totally broken apart. It's there. It's still legible. It's not destroyed. Unlike this one. Look at that. That's totally destroyed. You can't even compare the two. Okay? Even if you wanted to. All right, there's no comparison. This is still usable. You can still use this around the house. You can go out in this. And I know you'd never feel any kind of way wearing something like this. Okay? It's just that the fact that it's starting to show its age. All right, that's all it's doing. It's just showing its age. That's it. You know, you had this 25 washes. That's probably a little bit over a year. All right. And then this one holding up just as good as the Mimaki. And again, this is a print. This is my updated settings from this one. So I updated the settings for this from this. So as you know, this has this start breaking apart here. This, no breaking apart. It's not coming apart completely. This right here is just fading. This is just fading. This is kind of natural. Your inks will definitely play a part in this stuff. All right, where it actually look like it's fading a little bit. Let me see if I can zoom in. So it look like it's fading a little bit. All right, it's just the color coming off the actual glue, but as you can see, it's the print itself actually not coming up. None of my edges are coming up. None of the edges are coming up. Nothing. Everything is down. Everything's sealed. It's not broken, trash, knocked, bent. Nothing. Everything is still solid, 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 solid. Nothing. Nothing. This thing looks like it still can go for another couple more 100 washes and it'll be still perfectly fine. All right. Apart from this door, the color's fading a little bit, and it's just that those little white peaks on the top. But the actual thing, if you're not, look at it. If you're not up close to it, you'll never see it. Okay, you have to literally be pixel peeping to see that color change. Look how close I am, and you still can't see it. All right. But again, these are just normal. After 25 washes, these things should start to show some sign of degradation, which means wear and tear. And you know, you wear this thing. I don't see anybody would have a problem wearing this. Period. If you do, you have more issues than I can count on. That's my personal opinion. You do you. I can't tell you one way or the other, but as you can see, this thing looks good. Period. All right. So that's the 25th wash test, and can't stop it. I want to see how long these things will go before they totally disintegrate. Especially the Mimaki and this last one I just showed you, the what was sold, that one and the Mimaki one. I want to see how long before those two literally start to degrade to a point of non-use. All right, that's my goal with these wash tests. So let's see what happens, right? So till next time, peace.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.